learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
The majority of Hakka people live in the northern areas of Taiwan, including Taiyuan, Hsinchu, and Miaoli. The second biggest concentration of Hakka people live in Kaohsiung and Pingtung, especially in the towns of Meinong and Liugui. There are also Hakka communities and townships located in Hualien and Taitung counties.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and we're here to learn more about the Hakka culture in Taiwan, especially. 今天呢，我们来问问 Leo 好了，因为我们常常都会讲到说，客家人大部分人都分布在某一些地区，
就是桃竹苗、土種苗。
There's actually a term to put those three counties together because here in Taiwan, a mass amount of Hakka people can be found in these three counties. 桃竹苗 that's 桃園、新竹 and 苗栗。除了这三个地方之外，应该还有一些。
有啦，我们之前都有讲过，譬如说像是高雄屏东啦，比较六堆地区。
六堆地区，我知道有个六堆运动会嘛。
对，
就是在这个地区举办的嘛。
是。
Okay. Also in Kaohsiung and in Pingtung, you can find a heavy amount of Hakka population there, and there's a general area over there that's called 六堆。好啦，讲这么多，有北部这边的啊，然后有高雄、屏东，对不对？东部有没有客家文化跟客家的一些
法东 Tiki 那里其实也蛮多客家人的哦。
法东 Tiki 是什么？
就是花莲跟台东
法东 Tiki 花东
地区
地区That sounds like a very cute term. 法东 Fa is 花莲 and then 东 is 台东。And then the area, Tiki, 叫地区。Okay, so you can also find some Hakka culture over there. Well, while we're at it, why don't we teach people all these counties and how to say it in Hakka? 我们就来跟大家教这几个地区用客家话怎么说。第一个就是桃竹苗的桃園，
透燕
and then 新竹，
行咒
and then 苗栗 Together is 桃竹苗，
土種苗。
Okay, that's that whole area in general. Then you can go down to Kaohsiung, and Pingtung, and that area is also called 六堆. And finally, to the east coast of Taiwan, 花東地區
法東 Tiki.
So there you go, the distribution of Hakka culture here in Taiwan in one episode right here. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.